Grades for our first discussion board have been posted. To review your grade, go to the course on Canvas and then select Grades. Notice this value here indicates how many assignments have a new grade. When you select Grades, you'll be taken to a list of assignments. Here in this test student record, we see that this assignment has been graded. This is the number of points earned out of the number of points possible. This icon here will allow you to view comments, and I ask that everyone check the comments on their assignments. This last icon allows you to review the rubric that was utilized to grade your assignment. If you'd like to reply to the comments made, go ahead and select the link to the assignment. And this is where you would provide a response to the comments or pose a question. This is a much more efficient way of asking questions or responding to comments to assignments opposed to sending an email. If you include a comment here, I will get notification and I'll be given a link that'll take me directly to the assignment and the comments that have been placed. If you send an email regarding an assignment, that requires that I find the assignment and then open the comments. So once again, this is a much more efficient way to address any comments that I've made or to ask questions about a particular assignment. So if we go back to our grades view, just to review again, that the assignment is listed here. This is the number of points earned out of the number of points possible. And this is how we review our comments. And this is how we review the rubric that was used to grade this assignment. I hope this video is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.